All right, what is up, guys? Hey, it's Raggedy here once again. So what we're gonna do today, put some Gear 300, for the rear diff and the front diff. So we're gonna do that. Use this pump if I have to. I did get some the washers that they're required according to the dealership. This is all they gave me, just 2 of these. So those are the part numbers right there. Bam. And then of course get yourself some lemonade because it is hot. So first thing I did is actually jacked up the vehicle. So I had some ramps, use the ramps right there, kind of just make sure everything's kind of leveled as best as I can. Use some jacks right there so we can jack up the one here in the back. Just use the that rear diff right there. So I just use my little jack right here, and then since it's kind of weak sauce, kind of small, put a little piece of wood like that just underneath right there, and then pretty much lift, and if there, of course, install or put jacks on each side. So that's that right there. I'm gonna get in front of the vehicle. So here it is. All right, so there's this thing right here, T70, whatever torques, whatever it's called, T70. So that one, pretty much, if you see up here, it's gonna go right up there. So that's gonna be a drain. You're gonna get a hex key, size 10. Okay. So there it is. And it's gonna go in here. And of course, right up here as well. So this is the fill hole. So we're probably gonna start off with that one, just to kind of make sure we can get that one off, right? So we don't want to be out there struggling after we already drained all the oil. So there's that one right there. It's loose. So there's that one right there, loosened up. This one right here is the next one. So tight, loosened. There it is. Yep. Look at that. It's like a marker. That thing was thick. So we'll clean it up real nice and neat. We'll get some kind of cleaner. All right, so this is the bottom one right here, the one that actually this is the one for the fill. It's the ones that actually come out so they can drain. So it looks like I just have to clean these as well. And they gave me new gaskets, but I'm only getting 2. Kind of confusing. So this one for sure is going to go here. The 803926090. This one, I'm guessing, is just for the ones that drain. you know, so they don't leak. But then this one right here, I guess I just reused that one, but I'll clean them up and all that good stuff. So alright, so I just cleaned it up, took as much residue that I could. So I don't know why this one came, you know, stock or what I had before, but yet they gave me this one, which is a little bit, you know, different. So see that? And this is what it had, huh? It looks like Subaru just doing some stuff, huh? This one's the old one. And we get to slap this one on right here. Bada boom, bada boom. We are done skis. This one goes on top, this one goes in the drain, and this is the fill. So this one right here, go ahead and tighten this one. We got the washer in there already. Just this one, all nice and clean. There you go. So that's that one. There it is. Alright, so we got the Gear 300. This thing just pops up, I guess, whatever, and then has a little, I don't know how you come off, so maybe twist this. Yep, twist this. Kapowie. Twist off. And then you're supposed to stick this thing in there. Alright, so next move, I have to undo this clip. This is for 2015 STI. It's a 24. So we're gonna undo that right there. Yeah, so make sure you guys try to do this one first, because you don't want to get all the oil out and then all of a sudden to not be able to actually take that one off. And this one looks like it is pretty tight. So there it is. Needed more muscles. And then the bottom one looks like it's just so bottom one 17. All right, let's begin. There it is. Pretty tight, I'll tell you that. Dawn has a washer too, but I didn't get any of these from Subaru. How lovely. Just this one. Ooh, look at that. Straight thickness of gooiness. Check this out. Look at that. So that's pretty nasty. There you go. Alright, so that's that right there. And now we're gonna go and use that pump. All right, so here we got this part of the hose and we're just gonna stick in there. Fluid's gonna go through there. We got our pump. All right, so this one right here, I actually found it in at Home Depot. So I think it was like 15 bucks, I don't know, somewhere on there. And that's pretty much it right here. And this end, we're gonna go ahead and Stick it in that little bottle, and it should work, right? All right, so filled it up. It's actually kind of hard by yourself. So now we're gonna go ahead and tighten this thing up. There you go. Clicked. Yep. There it is. Alright, so last thing is pretty much just clip this thing back on. And you are done, guys. That's it. So it's actually pretty easy, just kind of time consuming. And the main thing that I actually struggle was actually putting this thing on jacks, you know. But that's about it. Everything else is pretty simple. And if you buy that Motul whatever 300 for the front differential, it's really easy. Just use the little pop out things to pop out, and then kind of just use that without using the pump. Now this one here, you got to use the pump because there's no way you can actually fill this thing, you know, there's not enough room up here. So other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you guys learned something, you know. Plus, you know, there's plenty other videos just like it too. So there it is. So it's like 36 pounds of torque I did for both over there. I'll put the specs on the video, and that's it. So easy breezy. I don't know how much the dealership charges for this, but this is actually something you guys can do on your day off, or now that, you know, it's on quarantine. We're all on quarantine, so we have a lot of time now, huh? Well, some of us, not everyone, of course. You know, I still got some buddies that are working, so, and then others just chilling just like me. So this is what I'm doing on my spare time, just kind of working on my car for no reason, huh? All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out. Peace in the Middle East.